I think for sure I'm going to be going back to my father's home country and visiting with people and getting excited about the first, or not the first, but the Indian astronauts who's going up on the Axiom mission coming up.
सुनीता विलियम्स ने यह बात दैनिक भास्कर के सवाल के जवाब में कही। भारतीय मूल की अमेरिकी एस्ट्रोनॉट सुनीता विलियम्स ने स्पेस से वापसी के बाद पहली बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। इस दौरान दैनिक भास्कर के रिपोर्टर उत्कर्ष सिंह ने उनसे 2 सवाल पूछे।
Our next question on the phone bridge comes from Utarish. Go ahead.
Welcome everyone. My question to Suni is that Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) chief has said that India wishes to utilize your expertise in space exploration. So, is there any scope of hope that we can see you working or collaborating with ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, in future? And second part of this question is, while being in ISS and seeing India from space, is there any moment you would like to share? How does India look from space, Tony?
India is amazing. Every time we went over the Himalayas, and I'll tell you, Butch got some incredible pictures of the Himalayas. Just amazing. And you can see, like I've described it before, just like this ripple that happened, obviously when the plates collided, and then as it flows down into India, it's many, many colors. I think when you come from the east going into like Gujarat and Mumbai, the fishing fleet that's off the coast there gives you a little bit of a beacon that here we come. And then all throughout India, I think the impression I had was it was just like this network of lights from the bigger cities going down through the smaller cities. Just incredible to look at night as well as during the day, highlighted of course by the Himalayas, which was just incredible. But I hope I can meet up at some point in time and we can share our experiences with as many people in India as possible, because it's a great country, another wonderful democracy that's trying to put its foot in the space countries, and we'd love to be part of that and help them along.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सुनीता के साथ बुच विल्मोर और निक हैग भी मौजूद रहे। तीनों एस्ट्रोनॉट्स ने मिलकर कई सवालों के जवाब दिए। धरती पर लौटने के बाद सबसे पहले आप क्या करना चाहते थे? इस सवाल के जवाब में सुनीता ने कहा,
Oh yeah, I wanted to hug my husband and hug my dogs. And I'll say that in that order. But maybe not. No, I'm just joking. But of course, food, something that's just like for home for me, like something that is very, reminds you of home. And my father was a vegetarian, so I had a good grilled cheese sandwich when I got home. So that reminded me of him.
वही बुच विल्मोर ने कहा,
embracing the family again, but also the opportunity, and I've already said it a couple of times, is just to say thank you to a nation that got involved in all of this.
मिशन के राजनीतिकरण होने से दूसरे एस्ट्रोनॉट्स पर क्या असर पड़ेगा? इस सवाल के जवाब में निक हैग ने कहा,
When we're up there operating in space, you don't feel the politics, you don't feel any of that. It's focused strictly on mission.
सुनीता विलियम्स और उनके साथी बुच विल्मोर 19 मार्च की सुबह पृथ्वी पर लौटे। उनके साथ क्रू 9 के 2 और एस्ट्रोनॉट धरती पर लौटे। ड्रैगन स्पेसक्राफ्ट भारतीय समयानुसार 19 मार्च की सुबह 3:27 पर फ्लोरिडा के तट पर लैंड हुआ।